In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add external link on Obsidian Mobile. We'll walk through creating a fresh note and inserting a clean, clickable link using simple Markdown, so you can jump out to your favorite websites right from your notes. First, open the Obsidian app on your mobile device. Make sure you're in the vault where you want this note to live so everything stays organized. At the top of the screen, look for the box-shaped icon. This is where you access options to start something new. Give that a tap to bring up the Create menu. From the options that appear, choose Create New Note. Obsidian will open a blank note with the cursor ready, so you can start typing right away. It's a good idea to give your note a quick title at the top so you can find it later, but the main focus here is adding an external link. To insert a link, use Markdown. Type the text you want to display inside square brackets, and immediately after that, type the full web address inside parentheses. For example, type exactly Google https://www.google.com. There should be no space between the closing bracket and the opening parenthesis. The part in brackets is the label you'll see in your note, and the part in parentheses is the actual URL your device will open. Always include the https / so the link resolves correctly. As soon as you enter that, Obsidian recognizes it as a link. If your editor is set to show Markdown styling, you'll see it formatted as a tappable link. If not, the Markdown text will still work when viewed or interacted with. You can replace Google with any descriptive text you prefer and swap in any valid website address to point exactly where you need. That's all there is to it. Open Obsidian, tap the box icon, create a new note, and type your Markdown link. With this simple pattern, you can add as many external links as you want to streamline your research, references, and browsing from your notes.